Circles part 6.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept. So here, position of a straight line with respect to circle. So here, let x square plus y square is equals to r square be any circle, and y is equal to mx plus c be any straight line. So see the first case. So this is the given circle, and here y is equal to mx plus c be any straight line. For example, the straight line intersect the circle at two distinct points A and B. Okay. Here, center of the circle is what? Origin 0, 0. Okay. So see here, given x square plus y square is equal to r square, and center is 0, 0. Okay. And the line is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. Okay. Now here, the perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line is some d. And this is what? Radius of the circle. Okay. So clearly here d is less than r. Here d is perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to straight line 2. Okay. So you know that the perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line is what? Mod c by under root of a square plus b square. So see here, d is equals to mod c, that is c, by square root of a square m square plus minus 1 whole square, that is 1. Here d is what? Mod c by under root of m square plus 1. So but the straight line intersect the circle at 2 points A and B. So therefore clearly D is less than R, means the perpendicular distance from center to the line is less than radius of the circle. So but what is D? Mod c by under root of m square plus 1 is less than r. So this is the first case. And second case, so this is the given circle and this is center of the circle. If the line touches the circle, suppose this is the line, this line touches the circle at one point, in that case that line represents a tangent line. So clearly here perpendicular distance from center to the line, that is d, and as well as that is radius of the circle. So clearly in this case radius of the circle is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the line. So see here, the line touches the circle. So therefore radius of the circle is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the line, that is d. If line intersects the circle at two distinct points, then the condition is r is greater than d. If the line touches the circle, then the condition is r is equals to d. But what is r only? So d is, you know that d is what? Mod c by under root of m square plus 1. Now clearly what is c? c is equals to plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. Okay. So therefore the equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus c. But what is c? c is plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. So this equation represents the equation of the tangent, and here m is the slope of the line. Okay. And this point is called point of contact. Okay. So this is the second case. So see the third case. So this is the given circle. This is the center of the circle and this is radius of the circle. Suppose this is given line, that is y is equal to mx plus c, and the perpendicular distance from center to the line is d. So see here, the line doesn't meet the circle. So clearly in that case the perpendicular distance from center to the line is greater than radius of the circle, or radius of the circle is less than the perpendicular distance from center to the line, that is d. So r is less than d is what? Mod c by under root of m square plus 1. This is the third case. So clearly from this you can say that if line intersect the circle at two distinct points, then r is greater than d. If the line touches the circle, in that case r is equals to d, and equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx plus r minus r into under root of 1 plus m square, and m is the slope of the tangent line. And third case, if line does not meet the circle, in that case r is less than d. So these are the three conditions. So see the next one. The equation of the tangent to the circle having the slope m is 1. So see here, you know that the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square having the slope m is what? That is y is equal to mx plus r minus r into under root of 1 plus m square. Here center of the circle is origin, but here center of the circle is what? Minus g comma minus f. So means, so see here, consider the coordinate axis. This is x and y axis. Okay. And this is origin. Here this is center of the circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Suppose this center or this origin shifted to the point h comma k without changing the direction of the axis. So that is like this. This is new axis. This is denoted by capital X and capital Y. See here, the center 0 comma 0 is shifted to h comma k. Then you know that small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. So but here center h comma k is what? Center of the circle minus g comma minus f. Now substitute here, small x is equal to capital X minus g, small y is equal to capital Y minus f. So therefore capital X is equal to what? X plus g, capital Y is equal to what? Y plus f. So therefore the equation of tangent is capital Y is equal to m into capital X plus or minus r into under root of 1 plus h square. So what is capital Y? That is small y plus f is equal to m into what is capital X? That is x plus g plus or minus r into under root of 1 plus h square. So this equation represents the equation of the tangent with respect to the circle s equals 0 and having the slope m. So next concept, length of the chord means, for example, this is the circle s is equals to 0, okay, and this is the center of the circle. Suppose A and B are 2 points on the circle, then the line segment AB is called chord of the circle. Now you need to find length of the chord AB. So see here, you know that CA is what? Radius of the circle, and CB also radius of the circle. So draw the perpendicular line from center to the line segment AB. So that is D. Okay. Now clearly this is what? Midpoint of the AB. So this is radius of the circle. Suppose this is point E. So see here. So let S is equals to 0 be any circle and CB center or be radius of the circle. So D is the perpendicular distance from center of the circle, that is C, to the line segment AB, that is chord AB. Okay. Now from triangle CEA, AC square is equals to what? AE square plus CE square. So what is AC? Radius of the circle, that is R square is equal to AE square plus C is what? D square. See here, AE square is equal to R square minus D square. So AE is equals to root of R square minus D square. See here, AB write as 2 times of AE because of E is the midpoint of AB. So here AB is equals to 2 times of AE, that is 2 times of under root of R square minus D square. But what is AB? AB is the length of the chord. So therefore the length of the chord is 2 root of R square minus D square. So see the next one, equation of the tangent at a point on the circle. See here. So let S is equal to x square plus y square is equal to R square. So not only this circle, you can consider any circle. So B, any circle, and P, x1 comma y1 be the any point on the circle. Now find the equation of the tangent at point P x1 comma y1 on the circle. So see here, this is the given circle. This is center, origin. Suppose this is the point x1 comma y1. Now this is what? Tangent of the circle. So you need to find the equation of tangent at point P x1 comma y1. So see here, find the slope of the circle. How to find the slope of the circle? So simply the circle is a curve. So differentiate the given curve with respect to x on both sides. See here, this is equation 1. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. That is 2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to r square is constant, that is 0. Okay. Now from this 2y dy by dx is equals to minus 2x. So 2 get cancelled. So dy by dx is equals to what? Minus x by y. This is the slope of the curve. Therefore, the slope of the tangent at point x1 comma y1 is what? Dy by dx at P is minus x1 by y1. Now clearly this line having the slope m minus x1 by y1 and point x1 y1. Then we have to write the equation of the line. So therefore the equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is the slope of the tangent? Minus x1 by y1. So y minus y1 is equal to minus x1 by y1 into x minus x1. Okay. Now cross multiplication, what you get? y1 minus y1 square is equal to minus x1 plus x1 square. So this is x1 square plus y1 square is equals to what? xx1 plus yy1. But what is xx1 plus yy1? So see here, s is equal to x square plus y square is equal to r square. See here, s is equals to x square plus y square is equal to r square. See here, x1 square plus y1 square. So what is x1 square plus y1 square? See here, s11 is equals to what? x1 square plus y1 square is equal to r square. So this can be written as xx1 plus yy1 is equal to r square. But what is x1 plus yy1? So see here, s1 is what? xx1 plus yy1 minus r square is equals to 0. So clearly this can be written as s1 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent at point x1 comma y1 on the circle. So see the next one, definition of the normal. Suppose this is any circle, s is equals to 0 and px1 comma y1 be the any point on the circle and draw the tangent line at this point. So this is the tangent at point to P. Then any line perpendicular to tangent line and passing through the P is called normal line, and that normal line always passes through the center of the circle. So see here, this is the normal. This is perpendicular to tangent line. This is tangent line. and this is normal line. If any line perpendicular to tangent and passing through Px1 comma y1 on this circle is called normal. Okay. This is the definition of the normal. Next one, equation of normal. So how to find equation of the normal? So here, let S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equals to 0. This is the any circle whose center is minus g comma minus f. Okay. And p be the any point on the circle, that is x1 comma y1. So clearly CP is perpendicular to the tangent line and P x1 comma y1. So therefore slope of CP is what? y1 plus f is equals to x1 plus g. So therefore the equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So clearly CP line passing through the point x1 comma y1 and having the slope y1 plus f by x1 plus g, then the equation of that line is what? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So that is y minus y1 is equal to y1 plus f by x1 plus g into x minus x1. Okay. So this is y minus y1 by y1 plus f is equal to x minus x1 by x1 plus g. So this is the equation of the normal to the circle S is equals to 0. So for next session we will discuss more problems.